In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can embed ClickUp to Notion. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select a task, a project, or anything in ClickUp that you can copy a link on. Now, let's choose one of these tasks and embed it to Notion. So, what we're going to do is to go right here on the right. Once you see the ellipsis, click right here on copy link. Once copied, go to your Notion and then add a new action. What you're going to do is to type in slash embed. Click it from the filtered results and then simply paste your task or your link right here. Then click on embed link. And as simple as that, you have now embed your ClickUp task to Notion. And that's it. As simple as that. So if you want to support our channel, since you found this video helpful, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.